Innovative technology, bold new designs, and an easier build experience than ever, the latest ASUS AM5 motherboards have something for everyone. At the top of the stack is the all-new ROG Crosshair X870E Glacial. Seizing pole position as our new flagship motherboard, it melds supreme performance, incredible connectivity, and an unmatched visual design. The Glacial unleashes high-performance hardware thanks to a beefed-up power solution, a 3D VC M.2 heatsink, and a full suite of ROG overclocking technologies. Keep it all connected with dual 10G Ethernet ports, Wi-Fi 7, USB 4, and more. The white and silver colorway of the ROG Crosshair X870E Glacial might be enough to make the board stand out on its own, but we didn't stop there. Magnetically attached armor pieces give the board a pristine aesthetic from edge to edge while providing easy access to ports and headers. And a massive full-color 5-inch LCD display provides endless customization options. The ROG Crosshair X870E Dark Hero embraces the shadows with a smoldering black aesthetic, set off by the multi-dimensional Polymo Lighting 2 module. The Dark Hero takes performance to a new level with a bolstered power solution and premium networking. And its optimized PCIe layout ensures that you can install a massive game library while still running your graphics card in full PCIe 5.0 x 16 mode. The latest ROG Strix boards cater to the gamers of the world who want more, giving them high-performance designs ready to game hard and look good in the process. As the highest performance Strix board, the ROG Strix X870E-E Gaming Wi-Fi 7 Neo blurs the boundaries between premium and mainstream. We've redesigned the PCIe lane configuration so that you can install up to 5 M.2 SSDs while still running your graphics card full tilt in PCIe 5.0 x 16 mode. It gives you exceptional memory overclocking support, and it's ready for center stage with its black hues and Polymo lighting module. The ROG Strix X870E-A Gaming Wi-Fi 7 Neo maintains the AIO Q connector, refined PCIe lane configuration, and enhanced memory overclocking capabilities of the ROG Strix X870E-E Gaming Wi-Fi 7 Neo, while leaning into a pristine white and silver colorway. With an AMD B-Series motherboard, you get everything you need for gaming and nothing that you don't. The ROG Strix B850-F Gaming Wi-Fi 7 Neo and the ROG Strix B850-A Gaming Wi-Fi 7 Neo give you a straightforward pathway to gaming glory on the AMD platform. As we develop these boards, we put a premium on delivering a supremely easy out-of-the-box experience. You'll enjoy a completely tool-free installation experience with multiple M.2 slots, an easy mechanism for removing a graphics card, our new streamlined BIOS UI, and a wide-ranging USB selection. Looking for essential performance, unobtrusive style, and rock-solid operation? Introducing the tough gaming X870-Pro Wi-Fi 7W Neo. This white and silver motherboard offers a refined PCIe lane loadout, a 5G Ethernet port, excellent memory performance with NitroPath DRAM technology, USB 4 ports, and great front panel USB support. Built for gamers who prefer B-Series AMD motherboards, the tough gaming B850-Pro Wi-Fi 7W Neo is draped in the same hues as its older brother. Armed with a low-loss 8-layer PCB, a robust power solution, enhanced memory overclocking capabilities, and build streamlining features like our tool-free M.2 Q-Release heatsink, this board delivers outstanding value. If you look at the desktop PCs used by creative professionals and AI developers, you'll see an incredible range. Some go all in on the high-end desktop space with workstation-class hardware. Other systems lean on a dual GPU setup to deliver specialized performance. The new ProArt B850-Creator Wi-Fi Neo gives you a value-oriented option that's multi-GPU ready with its pair of PCIe 5.0 x 16 slots ready to run in an X8-X8 configuration. Dual 5G Ethernet ports offer advanced networking options, and an onboard USB 10 GB per second Type-C port with DP Alt mode makes it easy to connect a USB Type-C display. All this and the motherboard is draped in our signature minimalist ProArt aesthetic. More than any other component, your motherboard sets the foundation for what you'll be able to accomplish in your next PC. The latest ASUS AM5 motherboards equip you for incredible possibilities. Build your next PC with one of these boards and you'll have a system that's prepped and ready for high-performance gaming and creating.